Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to open some small clubs from Great Lakes Jira. Our opening utensil today is my favorite kitchen knife, the Station 9 No. 2. Great Lakes Jira packages all their stuff very, very well. Their boxes really hold up to shipping, and they use this tape that they use for disaster preparedness hexayurts. It's this monofilament tape. It's like packing tape with fishing line in it. The stuff is incredibly strong. The first time I ever saw that used was in the building of hexayurts for disaster relief. And they use that tape because it'll sit and hold a structure together, for like a year, 2 years. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is fancy. Look at this little bad boy. So, super tiny. How much do these weigh? 4.4 pounds. So this is a tiny stainless steel club. This is pretty cool. I was talking to Great Lakes Jira about the differences between different types of club swinging. So club swinging can fill almost all your niches in training. You have light clubs, such as this, which are really used for like daily mobility prehab to make sure that your body, your upper body specifically, your neck, your shoulders, your wrists, and your elbows continue to function optimally for your entire life. It's not a new idea. The idea is about 5,000 years old. You'll see it pop up in different cultures over and over and over again. But fancy club swinging, or therapeutic club swinging as I call it, uses two light weights in a bunch of patterns where you don't put the club down for, let's say, 10 to 20 minutes. I'm currently designing a whole program based on that, a 12-month program that will use different small-sized clubs so that people can work on a daily wake-up, like a cup of coffee. You wake up, you swing clubs nonstop for starting at 5 minutes, building up towards 20 minutes with different patterns, more complex patterns over time. Aging is the loss of complexity in movement patterns. As we get older, we get hurt, we stop moving certain ways, and then those losses of movement add up over time to create getting old. One of the oldest strategies in history to not get old is to not lose movement patterns by practicing club swinging every day in a bunch of different ways, an infinite number of ways technically, for the rest of your life. So, Great Lakes Jira, these tiny stainless steel clubs are pretty awesome, and they are going to go into the testing pile for testing various types of longevity training programs.